sorts of awesomeness today. So I decided to add almond butter instead, some Irish sea moss, some bee pollen, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds. And my dried fruit of choice is cranberry. This isn't for you, mister. Okay. I'm not going to be measuring. So, we'll start with some oats. Put that out of the way now. A little bit of sea moss. Chia seeds. Bee pollen. Look at that. Looks so good already. Seeds. Cranberries. Honey. And almond butter. Bum ba bum bum bum. Bum ba bum 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 ba bum 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 ba bum. Bum 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 ba bum 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 bum. La 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 la. 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 La 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 la. Put a little bit more. And let's see if the texture is alright. Just mix it all up. And sing or dance or whatever the heck it is you do when you want to multitask. Oh no! I need some more either more peanut butter or more honey. The cool thing about this is it's vegan, it's full of fiber and protein, it's full of things that are amazing for your skin, and it's super, super cheap. It's also super, super easy. And it's a great, 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 great snack. No added sugar, no flour, nothing, no bake, minimal dishes. And if you're not an absolute freaking slob like I am, then it's not that messy either. And I'm wondering if I should add some hemp seeds. I think I will. I just keep adding to it. Okay, hemp seeds and spirulina powder. Cool thing about spirulina is you can't taste it. It's a much better consistency, I think. As it settles in the fridge, it'll solidify a lot. My cat's talking. Put it in a glass jar or a bowl or whatever. Not a jar, a bread pan. If you wanted to bake this, I'm sure you could, but I don't like that. And then flatten it out. Oh my god, it tastes so good. Like, I might put some chia seeds on top.